Cool. Sorry about that, guys. The stream seemed like it crashed. I'll open it up now. I don't know why that happened, to be honest, but it's fine. It is what it is. We close that and move that over here. So you guys should be able to see what I'm doing now. So sorry about that. All right, cool. Let me let the Discord server know that it's all good. Cool. So, anyways, hopefully that is back to how it's supposed to be. I think I fixed everything. Cool. So we found it started I don't know how far I don't know when the part 1 of the stream got cut off. So I started doing Blitzprop. We found the website. Provide us the name. Or do I have to put the full name instead? Alright, well, we found this website we got the website for the CTF part, and then we have downloaded the source thing, and I see this flag thing, and it generates a random flag flag name. Okay, so move app flag to app flag and then the random flag name. What's up, Jordan? Cool. So let's see. So we have this flag, and because if it's random each time, entry point .sh. Okay, so let's open up the challenge. I see this flag file, fake flag for testing. Yep. So static. We can ignore that for now. Index.js. So let's finish navigating through the website and see if there's anything we can do. So if we do, let's try hasta la vista, baby. There you go. Oh. There you go. So let's submit. Hello guys, thank you for letting us know. Alright, so there's really no point of viewing the source if I have it downloaded, but because I'm here, I may as well. Cool. So let's see. All right, gotcha. So not much to go off of. I was looking through. I spent 2 hours at this, but couldn't find anything good. Good luck with this one. Thanks, I appreciate it. All right. Good to know you spent 2 hours working on this. Cool. So let's figure this out. Bin. All right, cool. Sorry. So there's a challenge flag. I think we just saw that though. Was that not the fake flag? I'm pretty sure that was the fake flag. Challenge flag. Yeah, that's the fake one. So for the file name, where did we find that code that made the random? What was it? What file was that? Domain.css. I completely forgot the file that we just used for that. Index.html. Flag index.js. Yo, what file did we just look at? It was just there. .js. It's not in images. So we can close images. We don't need that right now. There was, I swear, we just had that file thing open. Flag index. At listening on port 1337. Interesting. All right, that's all right. So views is a hidden file. So if we, I don't know. If we do like the view showed in files, and then we go into the list prop, the challenge. Is it in there? Views is a hidden file, right? Just to double check. Yeah, so views is here. And then the index.html. I think that's just the same thing, just without the CSS. So, yeah. So they made it hidden for a good reason, it seems like. So I'm going to close that. This is I'm trying to find that file I literally just had open. How did I lose that? It was just there. It had information on how they... I just realized the views file was right there, so I just did that thing I just did earlier for nothing. But how did they hide the file? I just had that... It was just talking about like using the cat thing. It's not CSS file. It could be a JS file maybe. Hello user, thanks for letting us know. Alright, so I'm very confused on where on earth that file went. Unless of course that was for something else. Close this, close that. So we just had, yeah. So we'll close IMAP for now. I'm just going to go back viewing my stream and see if I can find what file I was on. So if I keep going back, if I keep going, what flag is, what point is that? Oh, it's the SH file? Is that what it is? Alright, so this is the SH file. Where did that go? That endpoint.sh. Oh, there it is. I have to scroll down. There you go. Okay. Yeah, so this thing right here. So /app flag. So can we go there? Or do they have that directory? Do we have that directory downloaded? No, we don't. So /app /flag. For not found. So there is a flag. Well, there is no. What did it do? Should I run an nmap on this maybe? If I might get better results, but or like a derb. I mean, I'll try running a derb on this and see. Alright. So with this, let's do a derb. And then we can go ahead and throw this in here. I think we can take out the HTTP, but I could be wrong. So I'll leave that in there. Let me just run this and see what happens. Okay, there you go. So I guess while we let that run, see if it finds anything. All right, yeah, so it doesn't seem like it's finding anything. I don't think I'm even supposed to be trying to look for that. But this SH file is really interesting. Maybe I can try to go to it through the browser, see if that will run anything or do anything. So we can go here. We're list. Yeah, okay, it's just doing this thing. So what I'm wondering is like with this thing, right? It generates a random flag file name. So the file name is random, so we have no way of knowing what the file name is. However, we have this sh file called entrypoint.sh. So, and it moves app flag. So okay, yeah. So I already removed the app flag and it renamed it to flag and then a bunch of random characters. Because if I do this on one of my terminal screens, so if I do like Control-Shift-L right here, right? If I run that, yeah, and then if I run it again, yeah, it's different every time I run it, yeah. So we need to find, all right, so I can close that. So there's either, because it moved the app flag already. So what I'm wondering is if I can still do that. So web-blitz.pop, and then kind of do like a /config. Oh no, this isn't in a file. So can I just do a /entrypoint.sh maybe? See where that will take us. Is that how you spell it? Entry point. Entry point. All right, so then it will move. Yeah, so what I'm wondering is how do we access that, right? So can I use like the tilde and get us to that like home directory? I'm sorry, give me a second. Cool. All right, sorry. So if we can we go to like tilde? Would that do anything? Could we do the dot slash that Adam did? So dot slash dot. Okay, it's still looking for pages. So let's delete, enter. All right. I'm so confused. So with the flag, so chmod600 slash entry point dot sh. So this secures the entry point. So what does the chmod600 do again? So I can't recall that. So let's go ahead and go with that. Utab, Joby. Unix file permissions, user read and write. Through others. Oh, okay. So we can't like. Okay, so that, okay. So how do we find a file that has a random variable name? What we could do is if we were able to SSH, we could find a way and like, you know, SSH and then just CD our way into there. All right, so let me try mmap. I don't know how well it's going to work, but you know, it's worth a shot. So the only thing this found was static. So yeah, and we already have the static downloaded, I believe. Yeah, so yeah, I guess now that I really think about it, Docker's kind of pointless. I mean, not Docker, but like dir is kind of pointless right now because we already have the, what's it called? We already have the code. We already have the source and all the paths and stuff. So what I'm wondering is, let's try mmap, right? Let's just try mmap, see how this goes. So we can do an nmap tag s, whoa, tag s SC. Oh my gosh. SC. There you go. Tech SV. Tech OA. Nmap. And we can call this blitz tech scan. So nmap tech SC, tech SV, and then we have nmap / blitz scan, and we can put in the target. That's not the target. All right, so we'll have to go back to the website, get the target. Oh, I have to put in the port too. So let's just open it here. And so that's the target. And then for tech P, we can do this thing again, but this time all right, there you go. Oh my gosh, I messed that up. So for the tech port, we can do this, we can do this, then that was a 7. We can close all of these. So let's see how far that gets us. Yeah, it's blocking pro. Okay, so I don't think we can just do nmap during any of these. All right, so how do we find a file that has a random file name? Right, because the sh file, so unless if we can access the file through the website, edit the HTML and probably change it on our end and try to rerun it and see if we can find the file that way. So maybe there's some sort of like, maybe the flag variable name is what we need to look for. So what does is that execute? So sh command. Let's see if we can find any information on this. Run.sh file. The bash exec command is a powerful built-in utility that can be utilized for this purpose. What? The uses of the exact command line in shell script. When we create bash scripts, we may redirect the output of echo into a log file. But after every echo segment, the bash exec command is a built-in powerful utility that can be optimized for this purpose. Alright, so subshell is created by default and a new child process is spawned or forked to execute the command. When using exec, however, the command following exec replaces the current shell. This means no subshell is created and the current process is replaced with this new one. So it does it in like the shell that it's run in. Okay. So I mean, how do we find this, right? Like, Docker file. That probably has nothing to do with it. Start the Node.js application. Expose 1337. What is that port? If we go here, so we can, I'll keep note of that for now. 1337. Oh my gosh. So if we go to that port, it hangs. So what does port 1337 do? UDP, men and mice. Port 13, men and mice, DNS. Or maybe we can find more information on this here. Alright, men and mice is the nurse center. Getting complex enterprise network. Oh, so this is just like, yeah, okay. This is some other thing. Power folder to PD. Alright, so go into port 1337. Yeah. So alright. So there doesn't seem to be any like major use for port 1337. If we go into the file, expose Node.js. I don't think this has anything to do with it. But I see like this talk, but I've heard of Yarn before. I remember some developer was talking about it. Let me try like, is there like some sort of remote access? I don't even know what Yarn is. Yarn Node.js. A package manager for Node.js. Alright, yeah, so it's a package manager. Is that some sort of way? But I don't think that's gonna get us anywhere with this is an auto-generated file. Do not edit this file directly. Alright, so are these like the packages that Yarn is like getting, like downloading or whatever? I know the flag is fake, so let's go back to the entry point. So chmod 600, so it doesn't allow us to like, it only allows like user editing or whatever. Then it makes this flag variable. So is there a way we can access that flag variable? But we don't have like a shell or anything. Or does it like remove the port or something? So this part, I'm gonna take some notes so for whenever the other people on the CTF team come and join or whatever, I can still like provide something for them. So something I want to do real quick is figure this out, because this is so like weird, right? Like it creates a random file name for each. Is there like something that it ends with that I can try to find? Or it begins with? Like if I, oh whoops. Let me clear this terminal. So if I try to, yeah, ABs. Yeah, it's random every time. There's no similarities between them. That's so odd. That is so weird. So if we clear that, so we get a random, so entry point dot, okay. So I guess the entry point dot sh file creates random flag name using David's back. What's up? So I've been working on the blitz prop thing, and it is this is so like broken. Not broken. So if we get this random file name, what path was it going to, right? The entry point.sh. So it moves the flag from there. So it's no longer in that directory. And, well, it's still in that directory, right? So if we could get that directory, okay, so maybe if we are able to download that directory, we can get that flag, right? So renames file to flag, and then, you know, with the random bullshit. I'm not even putting that in here. So I'm trying to figure out, can I wget, or can I even access this, like, was it /app? So what comes before or after the /app? Because it just says /app. So is that like, because we didn't get any app directory when we got the source code. Yeah, because it's root static, this thing. Yeah, there's no apps. So maybe could we try /app? Was it apps or app? We can try that thing Adam was talking about earlier, the for dot slash dot slash. I don't remember what the okay. So we know that we need to find the app directory. So we know that the flag file located in app directory. So my question is, how do we find it? Because in this entry point shell file, we have chmod 600 entry point.sh flag equals, and it makes the random file name called flag. My question is, can we get that variable name, or do we have to like download this app directory? What is your favorite bullet song? So we can get rid of that. So I'm wondering either where is like. Oh, wait a second. If it's using. No. Because, wait, the entry point.sh file is located like in the main area right here, right? With the flag and index.js. Oh, it's in the challenge directory? No, where is it? Yeah, no, it's not in any of these, right? If I close config, yeah. No, it's not even in challenge, yeah. So it's just out there, and the /@ means that it's in like this home directory. So sorry guys. So if we have cat dev here, so it has this I don't understand how to get here. Because if we're moving it into the /app directory, but I don't know where this app directory is, because it's probably in the root directory. So how do we get to the root directory? Could I do the so what he did is try to use the question lane. Would this still work for what we did in? I mean, you know what? I'm gonna try this because this is the thing we just did earlier for the other CTF mission thingy. So if it's lane equals this thing, we should be able to go into app, right? Or is it just gonna hang? It's just gonna hang. It's just gonna hang. Alright, just go back to the normal website. Version 7.3.9.3.9. I saw version numbers in the code earlier. Was it like... It was in the Docker file, I think. No, it was in one of those, like... It was like the JSON. It was in the JSON. No, it wasn't. What file was that stuff in? I don't know, maybe like the version numbers have something to do with it, because there's tend to be a lot of exploits built around version numbers. Does this use JavaScript? Because I'm seeing like all these like I don't know how to say this. Like, I see all these like thingy-majigs stuff, things off of like, it was like talking about yard. I'm jumping onto one. I had to get off. Cool. So, user nobody command node. Yeah, see the slash app thing. How do we find? Can we go here? Like, I don't know enough JavaScript to do. If it is JavaScript, I might skip it because I am not experienced in JavaScript. So, how do we get to the slash app directory? I am so confused on how to find that. Supervisor, command slash app index.js slash devs dot. So like this app directory that they're showing is like non-existent. Like I can't find it. This makes no sense. I've been trying to find this dumb app directory and I don't see it in here. The challenge is root static and it's not here. So I'm assuming I have to find it some way through the web interface. All right, so log file. Oh, is this like the log command node? I'm so confused on how to find this app directory because I think that's what I'm supposed to be looking for, right? It's in some sort of app directory. And I ran a derp scan a second ago. So what are we doing? Let's go with the baby. I've seen all those the baby memes, bro. Those are funny. But what am I doing? Basically, I'm doing this challenge called Blitz Prop, and it's asking. So the actual website is asking about like your favorite band or something, or your favorite song from this alien band called Blitz. So I don't know, but I got the source for it, and basically one of the files that I found called entrypoint.sh, it has the flag directory or the flag file, and it renames it to flag, and then it makes the end of the file a bunch of random characters. So I can show you, like, yeah, so the last characters would look like this, or this, or this. It's random. So, but I know it's in this app directory right here. So if I can find the app directory, I can probably find the flag. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. So again, like if I do an app, kind of like cryptography, kind of sort of, yeah. If you're talking about like the file itself, but I need to find like, this is like directory traversing. Page not found. So this entry point.sh file, is this over JavaScript? This is what I think it has to do with JavaScript on some level. Because there's definitely, it's talking about like Node.js, and they're using the Yarn package manager, which is JavaScript. And I know I need to learn JavaScript. I've been holding it off, but I need to learn it. So how do you, is it like a hidden file? Do they hide it or something? You know Yarn? Yeah, the package manager. And they're using, I mean, they use it to download some stuff. But you can help. No, you can help. I got you. But yeah, so all right. I need to find this app directory, and from whatever reason, it's hidden. I tried doing I'm gonna do another derp scan again and see if I can find anything. So Control-Shift-O, derp. Do I have the directory copied? I don't think so. There you go. So let's copy this website. Go here. So let's let that run again and see if it does anything. I ran one earlier. It didn't do anything, but you know, nothing running, trying again. So while that happens, I'm going to keep going through the source code and just see if I can find anything interesting on this. If I can't solve it in like half an hour or something, I'll probably skip it, come back at it in tomorrow's stream. Customer operations from HackTheBox here. You can't live stream content. Oh, okay, my bad. So, customer operations from HackTheBox, just know that you can't stream. Okay. Thanks so much, man. Alright, so I'm going to have to end the stream, but I will I will keep recording the content and then post it at an appropriate date. So probably like Friday or Saturday when the whole CTF thing is over. So yeah. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. We're almost 200 subscribers, which is pretty cool. So I'd like to get up there. But until then, I will see you guys later. So make sure to like, subscribe it, like I said. See ya on Saturday. Alright. Peace out, y'all. Happy hacking.